On today's episode, you're going to rethink real estate values in the city of Barrie.
Because we've got a turnkey, fully finished family home in a magnificent family-friendly neighborhood.
All for under $730,000. I challenge you to find that anywhere else. So Scott, today we find ourselves in Central Barrie, which means we must be located close to everything. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this location?
I think close might be an understatement on this one, Julie. We could not be more conveniently located in the city of Barrie, right here in the central aspect of it. We are 5 minutes out to the Highway 400 exchange at Dunlop Street, or perhaps you want to go Highway 400 exchange at Essa Road. We're directly in between, so this is a dream for all of you commuters out there. In addition to that, we've got all the daily conveniences that are just on either end of us here. Maybe it's a grocery store, maybe it's shopping, maybe it's dining, maybe it's convenience restaurants and pubs, all within a 5-minute drive from this location. And then of course, let's talk about what's walkable, because that's what it's all about. We've got a multitude of schools that are within walking distance from here. We've got parks, not to mention a ton of green space, so the kids, the pets, the whole family are gonna love this location. But I gotta tell you, when we run into these scenarios, homes that are 30 plus years old, something tells me there's a laundry list of things that need to be updated here.
Oh boy, do I have a surprise for you, Scott, because in this case, this home does not have a laundry list of things you need to do. We have updates to the roof, the doors, the windows, not to mention the kitchen has been completely redone. We have so many cosmetic details that make this property show to perfection.
All right, well, sounds like I stand corrected. Now let's head inside, check out this incredible home. At just shy of 1,600 square feet, trust me when I tell you that the main floor of this home has all the features that you're looking for. From that bright and open entryway from the moment you walk through the door, into the customized front hallway closet that's got its very own built-ins, onto that beautiful open staircase with the wood risers and caps on there, blended with the wrought iron spindles. It's absolutely stunning. And then let's talk functionality for a moment. Main floor laundry, the 2-piece bathroom for your guests. Then it flows right into these incredible living areas here with the living room and the dining room combo. This home blends open concept living while each and every room having its own purpose and own style. It's absolutely stunning. And then again, back to the functionality, we've got laminate and tile flooring throughout the entire main floor, not to mention some great sight lines from the front yard right out to the backyard. Check this out.
This main floor just keeps getting better. We have a bright, light-filled space that's been completely remodeled. We have gorgeous two-tone cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, not to mention a tile backsplash, and the Lazy Susans, they got an upgrade. This space also has crown molding and a chair rail for that perfect designer detail, and it flows seamlessly into your backyard through sliding glass patio doors.
Now, if you love the feel of the main floor of this home, trust me, there's a lot more where that came from up on the second level. Just at the top of that beautiful wooden staircase, you've got a huge landing area. Again, this is the ideal space for you growing families up here. We've got 3 generous sized bedrooms up here, each one larger than the next. And of course, we'll take you right into the primary suite. And it's got a ton of detail from the wall moldings into the built-in headboard. And of course, we've got a beautiful 4-piece ensuite up here and the walk-in closet. We're not missing a single trick.
If the upper 2 levels of this home were impressive to you, well, you are not going to be disappointed by this lower level. We have a gorgeous live edge wet bar that's the perfect spot for hosting those gatherings and entertaining. And then when it's time to relax and curl up and watch a movie, there's plenty of space to do that too, with enough room to accommodate a big screen TV. This lower level also features a flex space, so whether it's that ever coveted home office or a 4th bedroom that you're looking for, it comes complete with a Murphy bed. And we also have plenty of storage, and not to mention a gorgeous remodeled 3-piece bathroom.
Now, I love when a home is built to be entertained, and let me tell you, the backyard is channeling all of that energy here. Starts with this incredible entertainer's deck you see in behind me here. You've got all of the space spanning the entire width of the house, so whether you're relaxing or lounging on one side, maybe you got a fire pit up there, or on the other side, you're hitting the barbecue, the Blackstone, all while you overlook something very, very cool. Check this out.
The cherry on top in this backyard is the grass, or should I say the lack of grass. This turf is going to make you the envy of all of your neighbors. When I say it's low maintenance, I actually mean it's no maintenance. You're always going to have green grass and your backyard is going to show to perfection. Then with the mature trees and the fully fenced backyard, it means you're spending more time relaxing and not maintaining. We're the Knowles Woolsey team and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.